Welcome to the Watauga campus of CCC and TI.
Did you know that students who are involved in campus life are more successful and have higher grade point averages?
Getting involved is the Caldwell way.
Being part of a club is a great way to be involved, such as
Culinary Guild,
Student government,
Global Students Club, and many more.
The Caldwell way means being proactive and taking advantage of opportunities other students take for granted.
what sets us apart?
A welcoming environment inside and out.
A wonderful academic support center.
More student-teacher interaction in class.
Lots of fun student activities.
A smaller campus, you can develop empowering relationships with students and faculty.
And the views aren't half bad.
Supportive teachers and staff will help you in any way possible.
We can't promise you a 4.0, but if you give CCC and TI a chance, we will become your family.
As Margaret Mead says, never doubt
That a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world.
Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has.
And that's the Caldwell way!
Caldwell Community College and Technical Institute's Early Childhood Education program is now enrolling. Our nationally accredited program offers a 2-year associate degree or a 1-year diploma or certificate in several concentrations. CCC and TI also partners with the UNC system to offer a birth to kindergarten transfer track for those wishing to earn a bachelor's degree in early childhood education. Through this program, students will learn about child growth and development, physical and nutritional needs of children, proper care and guidance of children, and a variety of communication skills needed to interact with children, parents, and guardians. Program graduates are qualified to enter the job field as teacher assistants, teachers, or directors in a variety of educational settings. Apply today. The need for qualified child care workers is growing, and jobs are available now in our area. Caldwell Community College and Technical Institute's Paralegal Technology program is now enrolling. Our State Bar recognized program offers students the opportunity to earn an associate's degree in applied science in paralegal technology and certificates in both family law and wills and estates. Students who successfully complete the program are eligible to take the paralegal certification exam administered by the North Carolina State Bar Association. Through this program, students learn about civil litigation, legal research and writing, real estate law, family law, wills, estates, and trusts, and commercial law. Apply today. The paralegal field offers competitive wages and jobs are available now in our area.
What interests to me about the mechanical engineering program at CCC&TI, of course, it's close to home. I live less than 10 minutes away, and I've heard all good things about the instructors and the people here, and more of a family than it is an institution. And I had lots to learn. I've always had a knack for mechanical things, to use my hands, and I heard that they had good machines and good people with talents to teach me. I knew that I had good information to learn from, so everything about CCC&TI made me want to come here instead of being anywhere else.
It is our wish that we prepare students for a career that can take them into the field of mechanics, design, architecture, 3D printing, or machining. We also have CNC machining. We have milling and lathe turning, robotics, and hydraulics. And we hope that students will be prepared for real-world activity in the industry. I have multiple opportunities for students. I have jobs everywhere in the county. I just need students to train for these positions. These are very good, high-paying positions, and that's what we're looking for is students.
Caldwell Community College and Technical Institute's Office Administration program is now enrolling. Through this program, students can earn an associate's degree or diploma along with additional certificates in concentrated areas of study. The program prepares students for careers in administrative support in a variety of office settings, including small business, industry, government offices, and more. Students learn a variety of technical skills, as well as oral and written communication, professional research and reporting, customer service, and much more. Apply today and start your training for a great new career in office administration.
Welcome to the Ophthalmic Medical Assistant Program at Caldwell Community College and Technical Institute.
The program began in 1999 and was the first of its kind in the North Carolina Community College system. Ophthalmic medical assistants are dependent healthcare providers, performing tasks under the ophthalmologist and the optometrist. We are a vital member of the eye care team. The program here at Caldwell is a one-year program, completed in 3 semesters. We provide for our students classroom and lab time as well as clinical instruction. Successful graduates from the program are eligible to sit for JCAPO's Certified Ophthalmic Assistant exam.
Graduates of our program are employed by ophthalmic and optometric practices and in university medical centers. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, ophthalmic medical technicians in North Carolina earn on average $16 an hour.
I really love this program because for me, we deal with the most important sense on the human body, vision.
I really enjoy this program because it gives students the opportunity to work hands-on, and it really prepares us for the work field.
For more information about the Ophthalmic Medical Assistant Program at Caldwell Community College and Technical Institute, please visit our website at www.cccti.edu. Come see what we're all about.
With CCC&TI's Nuclear Medicine Technology program, students can train for a successful career with highly competitive wages, a growing number of opportunities, and an exciting future on the forefront of modern clinical medicine. Nuclear medicine combines computer technology, advanced medical instrumentation, radiation physics, and patient care to help diagnose and treat disease. A nuclear medicine technologist prepares and administers radioactive chemical compounds known as radiopharmaceuticals, performs patient imaging procedures using radiation detecting instrumentation, processes data and enhances digital images using advanced computer technology, and provides images, data, and patient information to the physician to help diagnose and create a treatment plan for a variety of illnesses. CCCNTI's Nuclear Medicine Technology program is now enrolling. Apply today.